Mexico doing a spay-neuter clinic, and when you pull up into their major grocery stores, they have these shading their carports, and they all had solar panels on the top. So I said, oh my goodness, this would be perfect for an animal shelter. Why hasn't anybody thought of this? So he and I started rolling it around, started talking to other people, and then you guys came into the picture, and you said it's completely feasible. We can totally do this. And it went from just this looking at these things in a Chedraui in Mexico to going, now we have them. When SUNation's team showed up, they were such great people to work with. They respected the dogs, they respected my staff, and they finished it on time. It's going to benefit the dogs in lots of ways. Obviously, on a day like today, the obvious benefit is that they're in the shade. Second benefit is when it snows, we don't put dogs outside most of the time because it's this deep of snow and they don't like it. This will keep half the pens at least completely without snow inside them. They're canted out so the snow will slide down off of them. So my staff is not going to spend half a day every day shoveling every time it snows. More animal care, more animal promotion, tons less man hours. Our building, they've had the biggest drain on any building in the community, is my understanding, owned by the town of Southold. And now we're going to have the smallest. So it's going to be fabulous.